they don't always stand when Tyra they down. They don't always pray with Tyra. Now why that Tyra be over the protect the woman? If you say Tyra, no, if you bring you out since we come up for day. If you bring you for outside.
But normally when they don't stop to feed dog, no. When person don't stop to feed the dog, don't stop to feed the dog. That dog fit on bite.
How many times all of you remember? I don't come online so this Sunday. It be the challenge crayfish. It be the challenge crayfish. It take crayfish. It dey so. My spiritual mother not dey una again. You know very well say no dey. And Obina, Tyra be confess for Obina who be spiritual mother. Now Obina go take crayfish. Send that woman. So that for then when Tyra become live video, Tyra be take crayfish. Even if tomorrow me and my spiritual mother will not dey together, the day when you go call she or you do anything, I go line my camera that day, I go give you na back to back. And to be honest, trust me, any day, I did tell on anything on my food chest, any day when crayfish go come, call down my back, blue black. Trust me, I'm not sure say Tyra go fit resist them. She will give it back.
You sure?
She's a sweet soul.
That woman not stop for fit Tyra. Tyra go bite them. Tyra no go. Hey God. They always stop for feed your dog. Now they go know that dog fit bite you.
It be charged small, we go small out of the game. You understand that? Because if you see the woman, because if not say the woman tell you say you know day again with that people, they want see the woman don't snap picture, put her afro charge and be lawyer. It be break his heart because if not say that woman no dey inside that negativity again. And moreover, she's a pastor.
My sister, all man get white side.
This thing,
all man get animal inside them. They will provoke them and they will go come out. Say,
career up.
Woman not different. Saga.
So now why that? When I feel say be up to now, it feel fine. It feel fine, but it don't happen. It happen as it happen.
You say if you did say your own eyelashes. Even wear them.
Tyra for can't stand for camera.
You wear eyelashes. You beg the eyelashes. Na beg I wear my sister.
It hurts. Even me myself, it hurts. Because there was once a good time. They don't once be in good time.
Tanya this point no. We have eyelashes. What you want to?
Pa Colombia say me I don't send Tyra make he go tell that mommy make he mind.
My sister read English.
Comment and say make the mommy
English go hard so.
For saga until now.
English RIP.
You understand?
On a pigeon you
yes, read. Thank you. Wicked people, Rosemary.
If you want laugh, not the laugh, let's see the cry. Now wait see.
Rosemary, yes, you understand? So, Tyra, Mateona, for Tyra, that day when we stand for a camera where it denounce that woman, I know Launa, it be touch me. I could feel, I be that kind of person where if I like you, I like you, I love you as a person, you know, I take you as my own. I know when you go through stress, I know when something, you feel am. I could feel it. It was so deep.
Yeah.
You understand? Yes. It was so deep. It be touchy. A very decision for you for take him. But in as much as you don't take that decision, you not change the fact say it's to get that woman inside heart. It's not a date. It's not a
general overseer. No, they take Tyra and make content, massa. If you want to talk something, talk. Don't use for make content. Tyra, yeah, godmother get issue. Yes, we understand.
Once call it say my spiritual mother. It's not an easy task.
Yeah, 1.5 eyelashes. Contact Delicia. Delicia eyelashes.
The best decision she could make is not to vlog that woman. It should let it. She has to let it go. Let it die. That's the best.
The eyelashes.
And for that, trust me. The more you'll get your credibility. And it's a lesson to everybody for the 237.
Including you.
We don't call some person say mother. I don't know what I'll watch and where I be night or we don't call somebody say mother. Tomorrow we start vlogging. It's not a good thing.
Normally when I lack content, as soon as they don't know. When I take other people that content, they vlog people. They
want feel in that gap to be mother with somebody. People go be scared for say
who's that trying for
now? They go to fear say tomorrow they will vlog them. So my moyos keeping it with 237, that was the best decision of you.
No, so they were you too. If you make mistake, they go vlog you.
One bottle of champagne from me because of that decision.
If you give person champagne, okay, continue.
So it is the way it is.